The cyclist helps companies to get a clear insight into financial results to easily manage your company. In this era, companies have to process more and more data. If you want to seize opportunities, it is important to have access to all information. That is why I have specialized in a new, powerful system. That system is Power BI by Microsoft. With that system, your company gains time, insight in data, and presentation improves. I truly believe in this system, so I have found a partner. Greyt is a team of experienced CFOs, controllers, and financial specialists with a common vision on data and Power BI. In Greyt, I recognized a partner to fulfill my ambition. Thereupon, they found a partner in me. My ambition is now our ambition. We grow companies from understanding of data. If you gain insight into your data, it is easy to manage your company. Simple and powerful. So the cyclist changes to Greyt. However, some things never change. So call me, then I will park my bike in your office.